Learn English to Gujarati Business Finance Vocabulary, Cost Structure 2.
Nivesh.
Welcome to Business Gujarati. Hey, you're about to learn some seriously useful Gujarati business words without falling asleep on a spreadsheet. Let's make finance a little less scary and a lot more fun. Today you will learn 8 practical terms in English and Gujarati: cost structure, profitability, liquidity, capital requirement, budget framework, savings, effort, and investment. In Gujarati, those are
ખર્ચ માળખું, નફાકારકતા, તરલતા, મૂડીની જરૂરિયાત, બજેટ માળખું, બચત, પ્રયાસ,
and
નિવેશ.
yes, that is a lot. No, you do not need a finance degree. A brave face and maybe a cup of tea will do. The shop with too many receipts. Picture a small shop owner staring at bills like they are dramatic love letters from disaster. This is where our story begins. Meera opened a snack shop and thought success would be simple: fry, sell, smile, repeat. But then came rent, salaries, oil, packaging, and a mysterious monthly expense called, "Why is this so expensive?" Her accountant said, "First, understand your
ખર્ચ માળખું.
That means cost structure. It is not just one expense. It is the full arrangement of costs. Then he added, and we must improve.
નફાકારકતા.
That means profitability. More sales do not always mean more profit. If you sell 1,000 snacks and earn the emotional reward of exhaustion, that is not enough. So Meera reviewed her
ખર્ચ માળખું.
and started reducing waste. Slowly, her
નફાકારકતા.
improved. When money must flow. Now let's talk about the word that sounds smooth because the idea is smooth. Money needs to move, not take a nap. One day Meera looked rich on paper but could not pay a supplier until Friday. Awkward. Her accountant sighed with the deep sadness of someone who has seen too many bad spreadsheets and said, "We need more."
તરલતા.
That means liquidity. Liquidity is money available now, or assets that can easily become cash. Imagine money flowing like water. That is why
તરલતા.
is a great word to connect with movement. A business can be profitable and still have poor.
તરલતા.
Yes, finance enjoys plot twists. Before you build the empire, every big dream needs funding. Sadly, motivation alone cannot pay for machinery, rent, or chairs that swivel dramatically. Meera wanted to open a second location. She proudly announced, "I have ambition." The bank replied, "Lovely. What is your
મૂડીની જરૂરિયાત.
quote. That means capital requirement, the amount of money needed before starting or expanding a project. She also had to prepare a
બજેટ માળખું.
or budget framework. That is the structure for planning and controlling spending. In simple terms,
મૂડીની જરૂરિયાત.
is how much money you need, and
બજેટ માળખું.
is how you organize the plan for using it. One is the amount, the other is the map. Grandmother versus impulse buying. Here comes the wisest financial hero of all. The grandmother who saves every rupee and judges every useless purchase with one eyebrow. Meera's grandmother asked, "Do you have?"
બચત.
That means savings. Meera said, "I had savings, but then I saw a shiny coffee machine." Grandmother did not blink. That was not destiny, she said. That was bad planning.
બચત.
Means money you keep for the future or emergencies. It grows when you do not spend everything at once. In many families,
બચત.
means security, stability, and the magical power to survive surprise expenses. No success without trying. This next word is for business, study, life, and every time you try to assemble furniture without crying. To fix her shop, Meera needed
પ્રયાસ.
That means effort, not wishes, not dramatic speeches, actual effort. Her
પ્રયાસ.
included waking up early, checking numbers, improving quality, and learning what customers wanted. Slowly, things changed. Remember this.
પ્રયાસ.
is the attempt, the push, the work you put in. Success may come later, but
प्रयास,
comes first. Plant money, not just snacks. Now we reach a beautiful word, giving money a job so future you can say thank you. Future you loves smart decisions. After months of better planning, Mira finally made a small
निवेश,
in better equipment. That means investment.
निवेश,
Is money placed into something with the hope of future growth or return. Education can be a
निवेश,
business upgrade can be a
निवेश,
even time and skill can feel like a kind of investment. But buying 5 glittery pens because they looked powerful? That is probably not.
निवेश,
That is office drama. Quick dialogue drill. Let's make these words speak. Listen to the dialogue and repeat the Gujarati terms out loud. Manager. Before we expand, what is our cost structure? Analyst. Our
खर्च माळखू,
is too heavy because rent and salaries are high. Manager. Are sales improving? Analyst. Yes, but we also need better.
नफाकारकता,
Manager. Can we pay suppliers this week? Analyst. Only if our
तरलता,
is strong enough. Investor. How much money do you need to start? Founder. Our
મૂડીની જરૂરિયાત,
is moderate. Planner. Do we have a spending plan? Officer. Yes, we prepared a
બજેટ માળખું,
grandmother. Spend less. Mira. Fine, I will build.
બચત,
Coach. Why did you improve? Student. Because of study.
પ્રયાસ,
Advisor. What should you do with extra money? Client. Make a smart.
નિવેશ,
Mini quiz time. You are doing great. Now let's see if your brain was listening or just decorating the room. What is the Gujarati word for cost structure?
ખર્ચ માળખું,
What means profitability?
નફાકારકતા,
Which word means liquidity?
तरलता,
How do you say capital requirement?
મૂડીની જરૂરિયાત,
What is budget framework in Gujarati?
બજેટ માળખું,
What means savings?
બચત,
How do you say effort?
પ્રયાસ,
And investment?
નિવેશ,
Memory tricks you will actually remember. Let's lock the words into your memory with images weird enough to work. Brains love drama. Imagine a tower made of receipts. That is
ખર્ચ માળખું,
your cost structure. Imagine coins glowing green and smiling proudly. That is
નફાકારકતા,
profitability. Imagine money turning into water and flowing through pipes. That is
तरलતા,
liquidity. Imagine a giant money bag at the bank door. That is
મૂડીની જરૂરિયાત,
capital requirement. Imagine a neat financial chart in a golden frame. That is
બજેટ માળખું,
budget framework. Imagine a jar filling with coins one by one. That is
બચત,
savings. Imagine yourself pushing a heavy door open. That is
પ્રયાસ,
effort. Imagine planting a coin and growing a money tree. That is
નિવેશ,
investment. Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned business Gujarati without being attacked by a boring textbook. That is a win. Today you practiced.
ખર્ચ માળખું, નફાકારકતા, तरलता, મૂડીની જરૂરિયાત, બજેટ માળખું, બચત, પ્રયાસ,
And
નિવેશ.
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing these words out loud, use them in your own sentences, and come back to repeat them until they feel natural. Your Gujarati grows with every little
પ્રયાસ.